Hi there, this is Troy Warrick with Posh Properties of Denver. Wanted to do a short video update. I'm getting questions almost daily on how is COVID-19 affecting the real estate market. So I wanted to kind of give you some brief stats that I have been reading up on and just relay that information to you. So nationally, it's impacting obviously the real estate market in many, many ways. So listings are down across the board. Thousands of people have pulled their homes off the market, and sales are already down quite dramatically from year ago levels. So, for example, in New York, it looks like listings are down about 50%. In Chicago, they're down about 38%, places like that. Now in Denver, we're actually faring a little bit better, which I think is encouraging possibly for the long term. But compared to a year ago, our listings are down. And again, the whole COVID thing really only happened the second half of March. So overall, they're just down about 12 or 14% from a year ago levels. We ended up with 5,776 active listings in the 11 county Denver area, and that's about 9-10% drop from a year ago. We had so far about 680 homes that were pulled off the market here in the last couple of weeks. And then I'm certainly seeing a lot more deals crash and burn because, either people lost jobs or got fearful and pulled out of deals. So this whole thing obviously has impacted so many different industries, and real estate is certainly not left unscathed. What we hope to see, of course, is that, once things open back up here, hopefully the end of April, we'll slowly start to build back again. But it's going to take certainly probably 6 months at least to kind of get back to maybe the normal levels that we were seeing, because this year we're off to actually a banner year. I mean, sales were up, listings were up, days on market was down, prices were still increasing 3 to 5%. So it's really too bad this happened, but not everybody has lost their job, certainly. Even though the stock market's down, people have, saved money. People still need to move. People still are coming here to Denver. It's still a great place to live. So we do feel like here starting in May, the market will, gradually kind of get its feet underneath it again and start to come back. So, just like everything else, we don't want to overreact. The same principle in investing, your hard-earned dollars in the stock market. You never want to sell when everyone else is selling. And so that's kind of the thing here. What this is providing is some great opportunity. In fact, me personally, my wife and I just put a contract on a home a couple weeks ago, and feel like we definitely got a great value on the home, because of the condition the market's in. Sure, is it a bit risky? Absolutely, but I have a lot of faith in our market that long term, once we get past this whole thing, our jobs here were, some of the lowest, our job list rate was some of the lowest in the entire country. No doubt thousands were lost, but, it will build back up. And a lot of the jobs lost were certainly kind of the lower paying, jobs that the service industry, restaurants, things like that. These people aren't really buying, $500,000 to up homes, which is kind of the average price in Denver. So, fear not, it is going to get better, but it's definitely going to take some time, and certainly patience from everyone. But I don't think the sky's falling in, and I think we just all need to be positive during this tough time anyways. So chin up, and hope everyone is well, and hopefully this gives you some good information. Again, Troy Ward, Posh Properties. If you have any questions about real estate, about your own property, if you want an analysis of what your home's worth, please feel free to give me a call. I'd love to help you. Thanks.